Good morning, Principal, teachers, and fellow schoolmates. We are group members from A4. I'm Jasmine. This is Natalie, Ben, Manhim, Cassidy, and Stephen. The title of our project is A Study on the Domestic Applications of Wind Turbine. Please enjoy our presentation. At Cassidy's home,
there should be wind in the south.
Do you know that fossil fuels will be used up in the coming 50 years? Don't turn on too many appliances at a time. You are wasting too much electricity.
Hey brother, I've learned that in school and I want to help in environmental protection. But this is my favorite song from Six Wind. Don't you think they're so cool? Can we have cleaner fuels of lower cost to replace the fossil fuels instead?
Scientists are finding alternatives for fossil fuels. Maybe it is possible for us to generate electricity by ourselves.
Are you serious?
Yes, of course. We have plenty of resources here.
That's ridiculous! There's nothing in our room, nothing useful, except cold air.
You're right. Wind, generated by the movement of air, is one of the most common type of renewable energies nowadays. We do not really need to pay for the wind to blow. Therefore, it is free of charge. What we need to do is just simply capture the wind. Daddy, can we buy a wind turbine at home to generate electricity for ourselves?
Don't be silly, boy. Do you know how much a wind turbine costs? A typical wind turbine costs for at least several thousand Hong Kong dollars. Besides, it won't generate useful power when the wind speed is slow. Look at the original wind speed of Hong Kong. For most presidential winters, the speed less than 10 meters per second. Unless we move to time motion, what is the point of making ourselves bankrupt for a machine which cannot even work?
But okay, let's talk about another day. It's my school open day tomorrow. There is a lot of interesting experiment in science lab. I definitely want to go there first.
at science lab.
Daddy, can you see the students over there? Their cap are so cool. I'm loving it.
Welcome.
I love your cap. They are cool.
They are in fact micro wind turbines.
What's that? A turbine made from microorganisms?
No, it needs a small-sized wind turbine that can use at home. It works well even with a low wind speed.
It seems great, but where can we buy it? Is it expensive?
Most of the micro wind turbines available in the market are for educational purpose only. And that's why in our project, we have investigated different factors affecting the efficiency of micro wind turbine and the possibility to make them into real applications.
Sorry to interrupt, but I doubt that is possible. And if yes, what should we consider if we want one at home?
It is possible. We have concerned the efficiency and suitability for different designs of wind turbine in different locations, and the results obtained are used to predict the feasibility and give suggestions to the future development of wind power.
It sounds interesting. Is it suitable for all homes?
A micro wind turbine won't work if there's no wind. A micro wind turbine has a cut-in wind speed, so the wind turbine can rotate and generate electricity. Of course, this wind speed must be much lower than the conventional wind turbine. It's about 1 to 2 meters per second. Would you mind telling me which floor you are living in?
We are living on the 30th floor. In fact, a lot of my classmates are living in very tall buildings.
With more than 7 million people, the building in Hong Kong have to build higher and higher. Yet, this is favorable for micro wind turbines. In this project, we have measured the wind speed in our school on different floors for 4 days, and we found that the wind speed start from 4th floor is generally higher as the distance from the ground increase. I guess your home should have no problem for wind speed.
In fact, I'm more concerned with the cost of heating turbines. Are they expensive?
There is no cost for wind energy. A micro wind turbine available in the market are cheap, but they have to be bought in bulk. The latest micro wind turbine designed jointly by the Hong Kong U and Motor Wind Limited costs 2,500 for a set of 10.
10? That's no good. Can I only buy one of them? We definitely have no space for 10 turbines, even they are small.
We understand. That's why we suggest you to make one on your own.
Is it difficult? We have no idea on that.
It's very simple. A micro wind turbine generally consists of blades, rotor, and a generator. You can buy all the materials from waste or old things. For example, have you brought your rubbish bin with you?
Why do you think we'll bring a rubbish bin to school with us?
Wait a minute. Rubbish bin!
Thanks. Oh, let me see. Some detergent bottles, some wires, and some wooden chopsticks.
We can make a wind turbine with this rubbish.
I think yes, but we still need some strong magnet as well. Oh, let me cover it. Please count 1 to 3 together. 1, 2, 3.
Magic!
Of course, it's homework. It can make within an hour. Due to time constraint, we have made one for you using the same materials. As you can see, the bottom is made of old copper. The body is made of detergent bottle. The strong magnet will stack at the bottom, and the wires as well.
In fact, we have tried 5 combinations of different numbers of turns and diameter of wires. The results are shown here. It works the best with 300 turns.
It seems that the output voltage is higher as the number of turns increase, but there is no significant difference for different units of wires.
That's right. It is the same as we expect.
Is this the only design of micro wind turbine?
Of course not. Another common type of wind turbine rotates with the horizontal axis. Wind blades are used to capture wind and rotate the generator instead. We have also investigated the factors affecting the wind turbine. Here is our setup diagram. The micro wind turbine model is placed 1 meter away from the electric fan. The output voltage is measured with different wind speed and numbers of turns. Our results are shown here. The output voltage increases as the number of blades increases. Besides, we have also tried different orientations of wind blades as well.
Have you tried that orientation of blades before?
Well, that orientation is very unstable. It won't start turning unless an initial push is given. But when it turns, it actually jumps.
Jumping? I can think of a danger having turbine near the window. Can I make this at home as well?
Sure. You can use the motor of an old toy car to replace the generator, and blades can be made from old files.
Files?
Yes, we have replaced the wind blades of different stiffness with some old files. We have made 3 sets of blades of the same size and shape. We found that a stiff but light materials performs the best, even better than the original blades purchased from the supplier.
The performance of this type of wind turbine depends heavily on the wind direction. If you are sure that wind blowing at your home is unidirectional, then this might be a good choice. But I have to admit that this type of wind turbine usually requires more components, so it is more skills demanding as well.
And the previous vertical axis turbine?
That is more suitable when the wind speed and direction are varying.
Can I have that wind turbine?
Sure.
Thanks.
I suggest you to connect it with a solar cell. It is found from our experiment that wind speeds are usually higher and more stable at night. During daytime, solar cell might be used alternatively to maximize the overall performance of your generator. It can also be used to charge up your batteries and lighting systems.
Thank you. With this wind turbine, we can reduce our carbon footprint and save electricity, thus money. Really hope that they can be used in more homes. Daddy, why don't you introduce these wonderful turbines in your designs of buildings?
It seems possible. The buildings built in Hong Kong are normally very tall. Conventional types of turbine can only be built either on the rooftop of the buildings or at the ground. They are either very expensive and not cost-effective. Micro wind turbines might be more suitable in this case. I remember a recent article from Wind Power also mentioned this. The buildings with micro wind turbine not only save money, but also add values to the buildings in terms of environmental protection. Now, let me propose this idea to my boss. Hello, Mr. Gamrota. I'm Steven. I have an idea. Oh, yeah.
Get home again!
With this wind turbine now, we can light up some LED lights. They are of low resistance, and the operating current of them are low as well.
If the wind speed is large enough, then we can use it for charging up some cells and power up some small electrical appliances as well. Now, I can continue with my song. Charging the cells, that should be wind lighting up. This is so wrong, I can't go on till you believe that should be wind.
This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.